Adding under cabinet light valance trim is a cost-effective way to upgrade your kitchen cabinet refacing project. Light valance is 5/8 of an inch thick and can be ordered by selecting custom filler on our online form and will be painted to match your cabinet doors. Even if you don't have under cabinet lighting, light valance is a great way to add style to the bottom of your wall cabinets. The height you select for your light valance largely depends on personal preference and is usually between 2 inches and 4 inches in height. Measure the overall length of the area under your cabinets where you will be installing your light valance and add an additional 10 to 15% for cutting waste. Installing the light valance trim will require a 45-degree miter cut in order to make the corners. A miter saw is ideal for making these cuts. Measure the length of the pieces you require and make your 45-degree miter cuts for the corners. Dry assemble the light valance before gluing the miters to ensure you have the correct measurements. On a flat surface, place your light valance face up so that the miter cuts are touching end to end. Use painter tape to connect the two pieces together, ensuring they remain in line and flush on the edges. Carefully flip the light valance over so that it is face down, ensuring the two miter joints are lined up. Apply a fast-setting wood glue to the 45-degree cuts. Carefully move the pieces into place, creating your 90-degree corners. Use tape or clamps to hold the miters in place while the glue dries. Light valance is attached to the underside of the cabinets using small L brackets. Attach the L brackets using 1/2-inch screws to the light valance trim before installing under the cabinets. Install an L bracket every 12 to 16 inches. Use a clamp or a helper to hold the assembled light valance in position under the cabinets. Screw the L brackets into the bottom of the cabinets using 1/2-inch screws. Light valance trim can be installed by any DIY homeowner. Take your time and ensure your 45-degree cuts are precise. The effort is worth it as your cabinets will go from builder's grade to fully custom with minimal material costs. Under cabinet lighting can be installed after installing the trim to really make your kitchen shine. To keep up to date on our how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.